Good morrow, you little whisser poops. That's an old word. It means a little smack upside someone's head, I think. Apologies for my absence yesterday. Being the man of advanced age that I am, the ripe old age of 42, I had a doctor's appointment. Worry not, all is well, or as well as could be expected, for a man of my advanced age. Anyway, Typewriter Series 431 today. We went to the Bon Iver concert last night. It was spectacular. It was amazing. It was such a breathtaking performance. If you haven't been to one of their shows, I urge you to do so. That explains the fatigued look in my advanced aged eyes today. Here's your wheat paper. It's bright green. I like it. I like this poem. Here we go. I do not believe there is a more destructive and dangerous force in all the world than hope. But I do not believe there is a more necessary or perfectly beautiful one either. Double-edged sword, hope. I love you a lot. Have a good day.